All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Extra, extra, extra. In addition to, something new. Extra. I have extra ideas now. We need extra time. They want extra people. Extra. More. 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 Yes. Here is an extra lesson. I will record an extra lesson for you today. Extra. Here you are. Thank you. I always buy extra slices of pizza. We always buy extra bread, just in case. Yeah, just in case, yeah. How cool is that? Very good. So, I have extra ideas to record. She wants extra books to read. He thinks they need extra time, extra money. He thinks they need extra money. Not always. They want to see extra shows. They want to see extra shows every year. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. It is an extra lesson for you to learn from. I have extra books that I need to read. Extra books. 19. I have 19 extra books I need to read. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. How cool is that? So, that was an extra piece for free. One extra piece. Here you are. They always give me extra pieces. Yeah, pieces. I like to get an extra slice. I like to get an extra slice. Yeah. They are making extra boxes, just in case. We're ordering extra. We're ordering extra spicy because we like it. How cool is that? Do you think he could buy extra machinery? The extra people that will come soon will really help us. Yeah. The extra time too will be very helpful. Yeah. Whew. How cool is that? So extra, more, in addition to, something new, extra lesson, extra slices, extra people, extra time. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use extra in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.